ने बहुत कुछ सहा था कोविड के दरमियान, और ये जो रेस्टोरेंट्स और ईटरीज की को जो मान सम्मान दे रहे हैं ये बहुत जरूरी है, इसलिए कि मैं कुछ ऐसे नहीं कहना चाहता हूँ जिसे को कुछ बुरा नहीं दिया, नॉन ग्लैमरस ऐसे बोल सकते हैं, लेकिन उनका जो ग्लैमर जो है इज बीइंग हैंडेड डाउन जनरेशन टू जनरेशन। 6 जनरेशन ने वही रेस्टोरेंट या वही ईटिंग हाउस या वही मिठाई की दुकान हैंड ओवर किया एक दूसरे को, अपने बच्चे को, और उन लोग वो क्वालिटी मेंटेन कर चुके। कोई दुकान, कोई रेस्टोरेंट 100 साल पुराने, 100 साल से ऊपर पुराने, हाउ डू यू मेंटेन दैट? और कोई उनको ऑनर करना चाहिए, उनको मान सम्मान देना चाहिए। जैसे क्या नहीं कंपनी है पंचमपुरी वाला, आई मीन आज भी वही क्वालिटी है जो मैं 30-35 साल पहले भी खाता था। नूर मोहम्मदी, सुपर फूड, मतलब कोई भी इसमें से कोई, मद्रास कैफे तो अभी भी मैं मेरे घर के करीब है, मैं चल जाता हूँ सुबह, अगर जल्दी उठ गया तो मैं मेरे बेटे के साथ जाके बैठ जाता हूँ, वहाँ पे लाइन लगती है, वहाँ पे आज भी लाइन लगती है मद्रास कैफे के बाहर। मतलब एक ही चीज होती है, ऐसे नहीं है कि उन्होंने फैंसी डेकोर किया, टेबल चेयर वही है लेकिन खाना भी वही है, वो बहुत सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है।
सर, हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री को लेकर जो इनिशिएटिव लिया है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
पहले रश्मि उदय सिंह इज अ लेजेंड एज फार एज अंडरस्टैंडिंग द रेस्टोरेंट बिजनेस, द फूड बिजनेस। दुनिया घूम चुकी है, बड़े बड़े रेस्टोरेंट्स में जाके खा चुकी है, बड़े बड़े मिशेलिन स्टार रेस्टोरेंट में खा चुकी है, वाइन्स के बारे में बोलो, खाने के बारे में बोलो, अलग अलग दुनिया की कुछ। लेकिन ये जो है, इसका जो नॉलेज है उनके पास, जो सबसे ओल्ड वर्ल्ड, मुंबई के जो ओल्ड वर्ल्ड चार्म वाले रेस्टोरेंट्स, जो चार्मिंग रेस्टोरेंट होते हैं, उनका नॉलेज इतना डीप है। और आज ये जो फंक्शन रखा उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा किया उन्होंने। रश्मि उदय सिंह, थैंक यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच। दिया था हॉस्पिटैलिटी होप का, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? सबसे पहले जर्नी के बारे में जानना चाहूंगा, जो जर्नी आपने तय की है कोविड से लेकर अब तक की, इस बारे में कुछ?
हॉस्पिटैलिटी होप ये मेरा पोर्टल प्रोजेक्ट है टू गिव बैक टू द हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री। इतने सालों से थ्रू माई 40 बुक्स, थ्रू माई टेलीविजन शोज, मेरे को इतना सारा प्यार मिला है हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री से। दिस इज माई वे ऑफ स्मॉल लिटिल वे ऑफ गिविंग बैक। सो मैंने ये सेटअप किया है टू कनेक्ट द होल हॉस्पिटैलिटी वर्ल्ड, टू इनेबल नॉट ओनली कनेक्शन बट टू हेल्प। And I have been supported by the world's greatest chefs because I was the chairperson of the world's 50 best restaurant academy in London of my region. So it started off as a job portal, abhi bhi wohi hai, but also I'm doing other things like helping chefs launch their books when nobody else is willing to do them. Or now this is my passion, to discover and to honor these icons of our industry, chote but they're not really chota, value for money, family run icons. ये रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं who have proven the test of time. ये जो आते हैं जाते हैं सुशी करके, ये वो big रेस्टोरेंट्स don't even last that many years, right? We have over here amongst the award winners a 176-year-old restaurant, 101-year-old restaurant. They have stood the test of time. It's time we honor our real icons and not just ran after Ferengis.
And how much is it important to appreciate them and encourage them to do a better work and do a good in hospitality?
It's really important because they are our real icons. And here's the thing, this is why these awards are the first of their kind in the world, maybe, because किसी ने भी awards नहीं किया devoted only to these kind of iconic restaurants which are family run and which are local regional cuisine. We have restaurants here from Thane to CP Tank, Khichdi Samrat, the whole city, okay, right now. And also what is really important is to honor them, to encourage them. And I just want to point out कि ये award बहुत ही special है, इसमें कोई sponsor नहीं है, zero sponsor, कोई fees नहीं है, कोई registration fee नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. It's all from my savings and it's for hospitality hope, to spread hope. These are real, true, authentic, honest awards with no exchange of money. And it's really important that we point that out. We should try and change the world. मेरा क्या idea था कि instead of cursing the darkness, let's light a candle. इसीलिए मैंने जो trophies बनाई हैं, they all LED trophies. They light up. Have a look when we give them. A very world famous artist ने प्यार से हमारे लिए not only certificates design किए हैं, but special limited edition artworks. So there's so much of love. We should all share the love, share the hope. That's why it's called Hospitality Hope.
So this time only in Mumbai or all over the India?
नहीं, आज की awards only Mumbai है. These are restaurants which I've been eating in for 40 years. These are restaurants which I've been eating in. I worked for the income tax department. I'm IRS 1977 batch. So these are restaurants I've been eating in and writing since then. I'm a qualified journalist. And right now, beginning with Bombay, इनको honor करके, let's see how it does. And the thing is, very important also, the people who are giving the awards are actual diners, like Sanju Dutt, okay, of Noor Mohammadi, 101-year-old. Sanju आ नहीं सक रहा क्योंकि वो US में he sent a very lovely video quote, like Maman Irani who's going to come and sing a song. So we have all these people who are passionate about this restaurant. ये बहुत ही important बात है.
Lastly, ma'am, any message you would like to convey?
Yes, I'd like to say, don't curse the darkness, light a candle. It's a beautiful world. We just have to reach out to each other, help each other, and appreciate each other.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, buddy. What's your name?
Rakesh. Yes,
So here she is, our very, very red hot ambassador of Hospitality Hope, Shipra Khanna. She's really an example of beauty with brains and with a big golden heart. She's written so many cookbooks, got so many awards, television shows, judge on MasterChef. She's got awards internationally, nationally. I have lost count. I can only say that I'm a big admirer of hers, and today we are going to launch her 9th cookbook, which was launched recently in Abu Dhabi with great fanfare at the Abu Dhabi Book Fair. And here she is with us. We are very grateful to her with her 20, 30, 40, पता नहीं कितने million digital fan followers. And I'm so grateful to her for being the brand ambassador. Every time we madam हमारा collaboration करती हैं, our likes go up to like millions and hundreds of thousands. And messages come, madam, we are very pretty. And then I realize ये मेरे लिए नहीं है, ये madam के लिए. Over to my wonderful brand ambassador, Master Chef Shipra Khanna.
Thank you, thank you.
कितना privilege है.
It is really humbling. मैं बता नहीं सकती आपको. I'm really honored and humbled to be the brand ambassador for Hospitality Hope, because I know how hard Rashmi has worked for this particular platform, Hospitality Hope. And according to me, it's just not a job portal. It is it's a gateway to inclusivity. This is what global hospitality is. And I also feel that it is at today's time, it is like a bridge connecting between talent and opportunity. कई बार इतना होता है कि आपका talent है लेकिन एक कोई जरिया नहीं मिलता, वो opportunity नहीं मिलती कहीं कुछ कर दिखाने के लिए. तो Hospitality Hope एक ऐसा platform है जो सबको equally treat करता है, सबके लिए free है, and it will give and it is giving millions of people job opportunities, which is really amazing. And to be a brand ambassador, I will try my best that I spread the word about Hospitality Hope, and I join a community, foster a community which is without any, no matter what your background is, what your circumstances are, you can still be a part of this vibrant hospitality, I would say. And I will try my best, and I'm looking forward to make a meaningful impact together with you.
My darling, you've been amazing. I have no words to thank her. I can't make up my mind whether I'm more grateful, more humble, more honored, or more thrilled, or more exciting. Everything.
We have just mutual admiration for each other, because I look up to her. She's really
and
amazing.
I look up to her. Chalo.
Yeah.
Mutual admiration. Okay.
So-
Achha, two of us alone now. Cut. So that.
Where are you performing tonight?
Dance bar. Okay. Okay. So I have to introduce you to a gentleman who needs no introduction. Subir Saran, one of our first chefs, Indian chefs, who got a Michelin star in New York, and he didn't stop there, of course. After that, he's gone on to have so many wonderful, wonderful awards. He's done amazing books, and I'm so grateful to him that today he's anchoring the awards today.
Thank you.
He's taken time off from his culinary directorship to be here with us, because these awards are for the hospitality industry, by the hospitality industry. And Sweet has something very interesting to say.
Yes.
For me, Hospitality Hope and this award ceremony is the hope that we all hold on to for food, for dining, for community building. If the restaurants that we award tonight weren't here, Bombay would be Bombay and Rashmi would not have been Rashmi. So the food they provide us, we smile, we sing and dance at the table and take memories home. Thank you for giving them this honor and providing them these awards. Thank you, Rashmi.
Thank you. And he's also, as you can see, a very, very articulate, a great speaker, orator, and I'm going to
And
give
so
him the-
humble. He's
Yeah,
really
exactly.
humble.
Exactly.
Thank you.
Acha, say something.
that how much is it important to appreciate all of that, and ma'am is not taking any fees. She is doing from her savings.
That is what it is. It's hospitality hope. It is for the people.
So
You know?
Rashmi Uday Singh, I've known her since I was a 5-year-old boy. I'm now 52. This woman has single-handedly changed the culinary landscape of India. She's given awards where they're due. She's pulled restaurants forward. She's made sure that no restaurant is hidden. In times where snobbery, where chefs who had big stars were being chased, Rashmi went and found restaurateurs and food that everyday people would eat, love, enjoy, and find affordable for their wallet.
And-
That's what this does.
And those are the real heroes, you know. Those are the ones who've actually kept hospitality alive, no matter what, no matter the pandemic, whatever come may. You know, they've been standing there for years, and they're still there. So it's time to celebrate that. There's still hope, you know. Hospitality hope is showing us hope, and I think it's a great platform.
And Rashmi not charging money for doing this platform is a blessing for all hospitality workers. They can find jobs, they can find one another, they can find a future, they can find better options across the globe without a fee. That's Rashmi's gift to the industry. I'm very grateful to her.
Yeah, we all are, because I think it was a need of the hour. There's so much happening in this world. I think sometimes you just need to pause and think and do something for the community. So I'm really, really proud of being, both of us are really
Very
proud of
proud.
being a part of it. Thank you. Thank you.
So here is the proof that the world is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful place. Here we have the world-renowned artist Jaideep Mehrotra, whose work hangs in all the international galleries of the world, who has created this special artwork. Please notice. Beautiful. Limited edition only for Hospitality Hope. To thank everyone. And thank you, Jaideep. And he's also helped us create the certificate, and then he's also not only created it, he's also framed them and brought them along. Jaideep, what do you have to say?
I have to say that Rashmi has done such a fantastic job, and this is the least I could do to support this wonderful cause of hers. I mean, she has worn many avatars over the years, from income tax officer to the Port Trust Commissioner to journalist, movie maker. I don't know how many avatars, and to come here at this point is fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you.